Students, Bismillah Khan was awarded Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and the most prestigious civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award. So, guys, on the basis of today's chapter, I am going to give you 10 words, 5 words from part 1. So guys, you note down 5 words from part 1, that means the biography of Evelyn Glynn. Are you ready, guys? So first word is jostle, Jostle, jostle. Second word is daunting, D for dog, Duanting. Third word is profoundly, Profoundly, profoundly. Fourth, sheer, H for horse, Sheer. And the fifth one is flawless, Flawless, flawless. Now guys, from part 2, word number 1, generic name, Generic, name, generic name, one word. 2, auspicious, Auspicious, auspicious. 3, ensemble, Ensemble. 4, improvise, Improvise, Improvise. And the fifth word is ventures, V for victory, Ventures. So guys, today I don't want to exaggerate the chapter. Already I have narrated, or I have explained before you the biography of Ustad Bismillah Khan, the history of Pungi, and how Shehnai it has reached India, and still many people of India, they love Shehnai, and Shehnai it is played in many occasions, festivals, fair, marriage ceremony, etc. etc. So, and the name of the emperor who banned Pungi in his darbar or court, and how Bismillah Khan, Ustad Bismillah Khan, he became popular and he became the Bharat Ratna. His intense effort, his determination, his practice, his willpower, and of course he is grateful to his uncle, because his uncle only, he started his training. He started his lesson from his uncle. So he is very much grateful to his uncle, and later on it was his intense effort and practice and determination reached Bismillah Khan to the top of the world in the field of music or musical instrument. And Shehnai, Bismillah Khan, he brought Shehnai to a classical stage. Shehnai, he brought Shehnai, Bismillah Khan himself, to a classical stage. That means Shehnai, he played classical notes. He used to play classical notes through Shehnai. That is his quality. That is his outstanding quality or virtue. So guys, this much for today. You have noted down all the words, search the meaning of those words, and next day I will give you questions based on this chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.